I had 20 years of experience and I had to compete with young professionals with AI knowledge, this is exactly what I would do. If you've been on LinkedIn recently, you might have come across these young professionals posting about how they built a chatbot or an automation all over the span of a weekend. And somewhere in that noise, there is this uncomfortable question that forms in our head. Do I have to do the same thing to stay relevant in today's day and age? Do I have to learn how to do automation? Do I have to learn how to build a chatbot? The simple answer is no. See, these young professionals on LinkedIn don't have any track record based on which potential clients and recruiters can judge them. So they showcase each and everything to give the other person something to evaluate them based on because they are either freshly stepped out of college or they have 2 years of experience based on which it's very hard to convince the other person that you know what you're talking about. And posting on LinkedIn is a legitimate strategy for where they are because they can't walk into a boardroom and instinctively know that these are the problems the company might have, or they can't look at a business process and identify what is costing the company money, or they can't go and tell a senior leader what they need to hear. But you can because you've already done it repeatedly for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, regardless of how many years of experience you have way more of an edge than these young professionals. So understand that the automation or the chat bot or the AI agent that these people post about is not the product. Knowing how AI works in a company, how it can benefit a company, that is exactly what people are looking for. And that knowledge lives entirely in your head. Now, I know your next question. How do I compete with these people who are learning all these AI tools faster than me? The idea is to not compete with them because you operate in a completely different market. The younger generation is competing for a job that pays them 8 to 15 lakhs in a year alongside thousand other people who have the same qualifications and same AI knowledge. But you, on the other hand, are positioning yourself for trust based relationships with clients, wherein you either build a consultancy or an agency that you can work alongside your full time job. So, your portfolio needs to look a little more differently. You don't need an AI portfolio with 10 softwares or technology certificates in it. You just need one proof of concept, one real problem that you have solved in your area of domain with the result that it yielded. So here's what you're gonna do. Find a task that you usually spend the most time on, but you require the least amount of judgment in it. Now, it could be the research you spent 3 hours on, or the report you compiled manually after a week, or the proposal you drafted from scratch for the fifth time this year. Once you've identified your task, automate it, and note down what changed. And that becomes your case study. When you consistently do this, two things happen. Number one, in your current organization, you become irreplaceable. Not because you've been there for a long time, but because you're delivering the most, more than what senior professionals your age are delivering, as well as the junior hires who just started off their career are delivering. Number two, you can start a consultancy practice alongside your full-time job wherein you serve international clients, people from US, UK, Canada, Dubai and other major economies. You essentially will be doing the same work you do in India, but you will bundle it up a little differently and sell to the international clients who will easily be able to pay you $20 to $40 an hour. And let me tell the earning potential of your side gig. If you work for $20 an hour for just 4 hours in a day and you work 20 days in a month, you will easily be able to make anywhere between $1,500 to $1,700 in a month. And remember, this is something you will earn alongside your full time job salary, so it will be an added income. Now, if you want to learn more such skills to tap into this opportunity, stay tuned because we will send you more skills to get you warmed up to tap into this opportunity. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.